Let's be honest, most passive income advice is a straight-up lie. It's sold as a button you push to print money, but real passive income doesn't come from a secret. It comes from a system you build. After testing dozens of methods, I've found only 3 that are truly scalable, legitimate, and can actually replace a salary. And one of them requires almost zero upfront cash. Welcome to BotBuilt. For an income stream to be passively viable in 2025, it must pass 3 tests. First, it has to be scalable. Making $10 shouldn't be much harder than making $1. Second, it must be systematizable. You can automate or outsource the work. And third, it should leverage an asset that grows in value over time. Here are the 3 that made the cut. Stream number 1, the digital library. This is building a catalog of digital and physical products that require zero inventory. My top pick is Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, for low-content books, journals, planners, coloring books. You design a book interior and cover in Canva once, upload it to KDP, and they handle printing, shipping, and customer service for every order. You just collect royalties. The key is to build a portfolio of 50, 100 titles, not just one. This stream leverages the asset of your design time, multiplied across many products. Stream number 2, the digital landlord. This is the 2025 version of real estate. Instead of buying physical property, you buy a domain name, digital land, and build a website that gets traffic from Google. You create comprehensive SEO-optimized content answering specific questions, for example, best blenders for smoothies or top hiking boots for wide feet. You then place affiliate links to those products. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Once the content is written and ranking, it earns money 24/7. This stream leverages the asset of search engine traffic. Stream number 3, the income portfolio. This is the classic, but it's still the king for a reason. This isn't about speculating on stock prices, it's about building a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks and ETFs, like SCHD or VWAM, that pay you simply for owning them. You automate monthly contributions from your bank account to your brokerage. The key is to reinvest all dividends until the snowball is large enough to live off. This stream leverages the most powerful asset in the world, ownership in the global economy. Calling these passive is still a bit of a lie. The correct term is residual income. They require massive upfront active work. Designing 100 books, writing 50 blog posts, or saving $50,000 to invest is hard, boring, and unsexy. You don't stop working. Your job just changes from doing the work to managing and improving the systems. You don't need all 3, you just need to pick one that resonates with your skills and resources and go all in on building that system for the next 12 months. Master it, then consider adding another. That's how you build a fortress of income streams. Which of these 3 resonates most with you? The creative, the writer, or the investor? Let me know in the comments. For a free resource pack with my recommended tools for each stream, the link is in the description. If you're ready to stop chasing shortcuts and start building real assets, subscribe to BotBuilt. Let's get to work.